Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, your source for life. Changing insights. Today, we're diving into a transformative law that will elevate your communication game, help you win arguments, and change minds. It's called You Must Never Disagree. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. Picture this. My childhood home, where I watched my mom engage in heated shouting matches with my oblivious dad while he watched TV. Hours would pass, and she'd repeat the same words, same volume, same intensity. Little did I know, I was learning conflict resolution from my dad. Fast forward to my adult life, and I found myself stuck in a similar pattern with an angry girlfriend. I disagree, I'd say, and the shouting continued like a broken record. In every interpersonal conflict, communication is both the problem and the solution. Healthy conflict strengthens relationships, while unhealthy conflict weakens them. Tali Sharot, a cognitive neuroscientist, conducted a groundbreaking study on brain activity during disagreements. Sharot's research revealed that when people agree, their brains light up, showing receptivity. But when they disagree, their brains freeze, closing them off to the other's opinion. So, how can we make our arguments heard and change minds effectively? The key lies in never starting your response with "I disagree" or "You're wrong." Instead, begin with common ground, shared beliefs, and what you can understand in their argument. This third law, you must never disagree, is the secret sauce to becoming an effective negotiator, speaker, writer, and partner. Scientifically speaking, the people most likely to change our minds are those we agree with on most topics. They understand us, so we're more open to their perspectives. When I spoke with communication coach, Julian Treasure, and relationship expert Paul Brunson, they emphasized that effective communication is all about making the other person feel heard and understood. And there you have it, the golden rule. You must never disagree. In negotiations, debates, or arguments, find that shared belief or motive to keep their minds open to your point of view. Our words should be bridges to comprehension, not barriers to connection. So, remember, disagree less and understand more. That wraps up this enlightening law. I hope you're as excited as I am to implement this in your everyday life. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our life-changing content. Until next time, keep practicing this law of never disagreeing and watch your relationships, negotiations, and influence soar. Stay tuned for more incredible insights right here on Chapter by Chapter by Chapter. Thanks for watching.